Now, how will you diagnose Addison's disease in a patient? Blood tests can measure your blood levels of sodium, potassium, cortisol, and adrenocorticotropic hormone, which stimulates the adrenal cortex to produce its hormones. Further on, we have an ACTH stimulation test. The ACTH signals your adrenal glands to produce cortisol. Moreover, we have an insulin-induced hypoglycemic test. This test involves checking your blood sugar levels and cortisol levels after an injection of insulin. In healthy people, glucose levels falls and cortisol levels increase during this test. Then we can also resort to some imaging techniques such as MRI and CT scans that will invariably tell us about any changes in the adrenal cortex.